This peculiar shape and this configuration of rings is what makes the Book of Mormon plates physically possible, yet this technology wasn't invented in modern times until 50 years after the Book of Mormon was published. The Book of Mormon never tells us the shape or the number of rings. That's actually something we get from witnesses who held the plates. David Whitmer described the plates being bound together with 3 rings along one edge. Hiram Smith described the plates having rings in the shape of the letter D. And John Whitmer described having both 3 rings and the shape of the letter D. So since the D-shaped 3-ring binder technology wasn't invented until after the publication of the Book of Mormon, it is a little unexpected that these witnesses would choose to describe the plates in this foreign way. Yet you need this configuration of rings in order to fit the requirements of the many individual gold plates of the Book of Mormon, which some people estimate to be between 120 to 300 plates. What's crucial about the D-ring is that it can fit about 50% more storage capacity than a circular ring, because you can stack so many leaves vertically along that straight edge. It maximizes the number of plates that can be bound together in a very limited space, while the use of the 3 together makes the binding more stable and secure. Interestingly, pre-modern artifacts were later discovered that do have some of these characteristics. Many examples of medieval copper plates from India were discovered bound with 1 or sometimes 2 rings. We also see this kind of binding in ancient metal Roman plates. And this particular copper plate from India even has a bit of a straight edge along its ring to accommodate larger sets of plates, just like a D-shaped ring would. So while we have a ways to go, personally, I think it's only a matter of time before more rings like the ones on the gold plates come to light. To learn more, evidence 305 at Scripture Central.